Hello, my viewers. I'm impersonating my husband, Dr. Z, today. I want to talk about ECM motors today. As you all know, there is two ways that a motor will fail. Either electrically or mechanically, or both. First thing to do is to turn the shaft to check the bearings. This one here is pretty darn stiff. The next thing to do is to smell the motor windings to see if they're burnt. Yep. Let's now try another motor. The shaft spins pretty easy. Let's take a closer look at the motor windings. First, we'll remove the drive unit. I would like to thank Baker Distributing for giving us the motors to do this video.
Thank you, Baker Distributing.
The windings and the bearings look good, so it would be a good candidate to repair the drive unit. For a long time now, ECM motors have been problematic, but Zebra Instruments has the cure. Many ECM motors modulars that have been damaged by voltage problems and power surges can be repaired with this kit. Now what you would need to do is take out this part and replace it with this part. Now there is some soldering involved in this. After you made the repair, you can back it up with this ECM protector. This ECM protector is the VZ Pro for nearly all motors with standard 5-pin power plug.
Also available is the X13PR, the VZPR7, the VZP59, and the VZP42. It just all depends on which type of ECM motor you have. All you have to do is plug in the ECM motor protector into the 5-pin plug, and voila, there you have it. And now you can connect your wiring harness here, and this motor will be protected against surges and spikes.